There are simple tricks that can make your daily diesel driving easier, cheaper, and less frustrating, but almost nobody knows about them because they're not taught in driving school or mentioned in your owner's manual. I'm talking about clever solutions to common problems that cost nothing or next to nothing, take seconds to implement, and make you wonder why nobody told you about them years ago. Some of these hacks sound absolutely ridiculous when you first hear them. You'll think I'm joking or that they can't possibly work, but they're all verified, tested, and used by people who've discovered them through years of practical experience. The best part? None of these require special tools, expensive products, or mechanical knowledge. They're simple solutions that any diesel car owner can use immediately. Make sure to watch till the end because hack number 7 involves something sitting in your bathroom right now that can save you from an expensive detailing bill. And it works so well that professional detailers actually use this exact method. Let's start with something that sounds completely insane but actually works. Hack number 1, the key fob under chin trick. You're walking toward your car in a large parking lot. You press the unlock button on your key fob. Nothing happens. You're still too far away. You start walking closer, clicking repeatedly, hoping you're getting within range. Here's the hack. Hold your key fob under your chin or against your head while pressing the button. Suddenly, your range extends by about 20 feet, and your car unlocks from a distance that shouldn't work. I know this sounds ridiculous. Why would holding a key fob against your head make any difference? But here's the science. The fluids in your head act as an antenna that amplifies the radio signal from your key fob. Your skull and the water content in your tissues essentially boost the signal strength. This has been tested and verified by multiple sources. It genuinely works. Next time you're at the edge of your key fob's range, try it. Hold the fob under your chin, press unlock, and watch your car respond from a distance that normally wouldn't work. It looks silly, but it's incredibly useful when you're trying to locate your car in a massive parking lot or when you want to remote start your diesel from inside a building. Hack number 2, the penny tire tread test. Tire shops want to sell you new tires. They'll measure your tread depth and tell you it's time for replacement. But how do you check tread depth yourself without any special tools? Here's the hack. Grab any penny, insert it into your tire tread groove with Lincoln's head pointing down. If you can see all of Lincoln's head above the tread, your tires are worn down to unsafe levels and need replacement soon. If the tread covers part of his head, you still have adequate depth. This works because the distance from the top of Lincoln's head to the edge of a penny is approximately 2 millimeters, which is close to the minimum safe tread depth. It's not as precise as a proper tread depth gauge, but it's accurate enough for a quick safety check. Check all 4 tires and check multiple spots on each tire because wear isn't always even. If any spot shows Lincoln's full head, that tire needs attention. This takes 30 seconds and costs nothing, but it can prevent accidents caused by worn tires and help you avoid getting scammed by tire shops claiming you need new tires when you actually don't. Hack number 3, cupcake liners and cup holders. Cup holders in cars are annoying to clean. They collect sticky spills, dried coffee residue, crumbs, and all kinds of gunk that's nearly impossible to remove once it dries. Here's the hack. Buy a pack of silicone cupcake liners from any kitchen supply store. They cost about $5 to $10 for a set. Drop them into your cup holders. They fit perfectly in most car cup holders and catch all the spills, crumbs, and sticky messes. When they get dirty, pull them out and toss them in your dishwasher. They come out perfectly clean and ready to go back in your car. No more scrubbing dried coffee out of those impossible-to-reach ridges in your cup holders. This is especially useful in diesel cars where you might have travel mugs, water bottles, and snacks during longer highway drives. The silicone liners contain any mess and make cleanup effortless. Hack number 4, the dashboard arrow shows your gas tank side. You're driving a rental car, a friend's car, or maybe you just bought a new diesel and can't remember which side the fuel cap is on. You pull into the fuel station and realize you're on the wrong side. Now you have to drive around to the other pump or stretch the hose awkwardly across your car. Here's the hack. Look at your fuel gauge. Next to the little gas pump icon, there's a small arrow. That arrow points to the side of your car where the fuel cap is located. Left arrow means driver's side, right arrow means passenger side. This feature has been standard on virtually every car made in the past 15 years, but most drivers have never noticed it. Once you know it's there, you'll never pull up to the wrong side of the pump again. This is particularly useful for diesel owners who might drive different diesel cars, company vehicles, or rental cars. Just glance at the arrow before you pull into the station, and you'll know exactly which side to approach. Hack number 5. Socks on wipers for frost protection. Winter mornings are brutal for diesel car owners. Your windshield is covered in frost or ice, and your wipers are frozen solid to the glass. You spend 10 minutes scraping ice and trying to free your wipers without damaging them. Here's the hack. Take an old pair of socks, the longer the better. Before a cold night, slide them over your windshield wipers. The socks protect the wiper blades from freezing to the windshield and also prevent ice buildup on the blades themselves. In the morning, remove the socks, and your wipers are ready to use immediately. No scraping, no prying frozen wiper blades off the glass, no risk of tearing the rubber. This costs absolutely nothing if you're using old socks you'd throw away anyway. It takes 20 seconds the night before and saves you significant time and frustration the next morning. For diesel owners in cold climates, this simple trick can prevent damaged wiper blades and make winter mornings much more bearable. Hack number 6, park facing east in winter. Here's another winter hack that uses simple physics to save you time every morning. When you park at home or at work during winter, position your car so the windshield faces east toward where the sun rises. In the morning, as the sun comes up, it shines directly on your windshield and naturally melts frost and ice. By the time you're ready to leave, your windshield is already partially or completely clear, with no scraping required. This won't work on heavily overcast days or if your parking spot is shaded by buildings or trees, but on clear winter mornings, it can completely eliminate the need for scraping. Combine this with the sock-on wipers trick, and you've just eliminated most of your winter morning windshield frustration without spending a penny. Diesel owners who do this consistently report saving 5 to 10 minutes every winter morning, which adds up to hours of saved time over the course of a winter season. Hack number 7, hand sanitizer removes tree sap. You parked under a tree, and now your diesel has sticky tree sap spots all over the paint. This stuff is incredibly stubborn. It doesn't wash off with soap and water. Scrubbing it causes scratches. Professional detailing to remove it costs $50 to $100 or more. Here's the hack. Grab any alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Put a small amount on a clean microfiber cloth. Gently rub the tree sap spots. The alcohol in the hand sanitizer dissolves the sap almost immediately. Once it's dissolved, rinse the area with water and dry it. The alcohol breaks down the sap's sticky bonds without damaging your paint. However, alcohol can also strip wax, so after you've removed the sap and rinsed the area, apply a small amount of wax or spray sealant to protect the spot you just cleaned. This hack costs essentially nothing, works in minutes, and prevents you from scratching your paint by trying to scrub off the sap with abrasive methods. Professional detailers actually use isopropyl alcohol for this exact purpose. Hand sanitizer is just a convenient form of alcohol that most people already have in their car or home. Here's what all these hacks have in common. They're simple solutions to common problems that most people either don't know about or think sound too ridiculous to work. None of them require expensive products or special skills. They're all based on practical experience and clever thinking. And they all make your life as a diesel car owner just a little bit easier. The key fob trick saves you frustration in parking lots. The penny test keeps you safe and prevents tire shop scams. Cupcake liners save cleaning time. The fuel gauge arrow prevents embarrassing pump approaches. The sock trick eliminates frozen wipers. East-facing parking melts your windshield naturally, and hand sanitizer removes stubborn tree sap. Start using these hacks today. Try the key fob trick the next time you're in a parking lot. Check your tire tread with a penny this weekend. Pick up some silicone cupcake liners next time you're shopping. Notice the arrow on your fuel gauge. These small improvements add up to a significantly better ownership experience. You'll save time, money, and frustration, all from tricks that cost nothing and take seconds to implement. What clever car hacks have you discovered that most people don't know about? Share them in the comments and help other diesel owners make their lives easier. If these 7 brilliant hacks taught you something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical diesel car ownership tips that actually work. Thanks for watching.